Cold start this morning. We're gonna be doing this all the cars. Right now, I don't know if y'all can see, it's 2 degrees. It might take a while too. Getting all smoked out right now. Takes her a little bit to get it started.
Good thing we got 2 batteries. Yeah, it not always starts good, you know. Sometimes you pump it too much. Not today, Junior. Old one, eh? We're gonna give it another try. Because I'm not, I'm gonna have to bring the roller up front.
If it don't start right now, we're gonna bring the roller.
The Beamer right now.
The Beamer?
The keys, yeah.
Alright.
I'll get the keys, don't turn it off. Just go all the way in there too. Just go ahead, take it.
Gotta go get the Beamer. Keys. Big old puppies. Hand me the Beamer keys.
What happened?
Man, it's just too cold.
Let me see this truck. Let me show you how it's done.
Let's start this one up right here. Oh look, I found your jacket. Found your jacket, fool. It is what it is, man.
Look at that poor little thing. It's cold. Because I messed up. I didn't do the glow plug.
Excuses. Excuses.
Oh, hurry up. Let's take it out. Take it out. Start. Alright.
Oh.
Close the door so the little lights don't. There you go. 1 degree.
1 -1. Alright, here we got dual motors for our go-karts and shit, you dig? LS motors. Fishing gear. I'm showing y'all too much of fucking garage, you know? 25% bonus. Jacks, we don't need them. Alright, let's come back to over here down on the Boomhauer machine. Yeah, bitch. This is a real boy's toy. Alright, enough of that one. Video coming soon.
The battery, the keys right there on the seat. We'll put the roller so we can get cables to the 4 beast.
Yeah, good backup. Good boy. Watch out, Pinky. Oh, the dog is kids. Goddamn. I think they're out here. I think they're out here. Oh, you got it? Cold start. Goddamn roller. Hopefully she starts up easy. He's a loud one. Go back to the backyard. It's cold out here. Pinky and then Puerto Pica. She's all cold. Gotta come back out here. Gonna try one more time. Hopefully we don't need another car.
It's fucking cold out here.
Yeah. Neighbor Dennis.
No, I got a roller though. Yeah, no, that shit's fucking up though, didn't it? Good. Yeah, give it a to get the drive out and some shit. Yeah, starter fluid.
She's smoking.